Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we recently had a viewer write in and ask if there were tips or regressions on how to sit in the Seiza position, which is this, sitting like this. You've probably seen this in the Japanese culture where people sit on the floor like this with their nice straight posture in the back, knees are fully flexed and they're sitting on their feet. Not necessarily easy for everyone to get into. So if I had any tips, I would try to approach it through the rocking position with breath. And that would mean, well, really it would look like this. So getting on all fours here with the feet down, laces down, and rocking myself back. Now, not everyone can rock all the way back to here. And again, this is full flexion. And really, if I just sit up, there I am. So the goal would be to help people get to this position as much as their body will allow. And the way to do that is often through breath. So if a person can only rock back this far, what they would do is they would hang out here and fill their belly up with air. Really, you're just breathing deep into your belly with your diaphragm. And when you exhale, you try to see if your body will let go. And the way, it may not make sense to you, why would the body let go when you exhale? Well, if you breathe the way you're supposed to, the way you're designed to, a good belly breath, breathing to our design often tells our nervous system that, hey, it is safe, I am safe, you can let me move. So when your nervous system feels safe, it will often give you mobility, strength, and power. So it lets you express yourself the way you want to. So basically, if we can tell our nervous system we're safe through the way we breathe, it may allow us, as we exhale, to find a little bit more range of motion to where we want to go. So oftentimes, if the nervous system doesn't feel safe, it will guard you or protect you from places it's not sure that you should go. So if you feel stuck right here, there's a chance that your nervous system doesn't feel safe. But if you tell it, hey buddy, I'm okay, you can let go, you can let us move, through your breath, it may allow you to do that. So again, you go to where you feel stuck, or you go to where if your back wants to round, you've already gone too far. So you want to go to the depth you can where you maintain a tall chest, flat back, and when you hit that wall where you feel like you're stuck, that's where you hang out, take a deep breath. And when you exhale, see if you can melt further back. And melting is probably the best word I can describe to kind of what it feels like when your body just starts to let go. So again, you take that new position, breathe in, and see if you melt a little bit more. And then you just hang out there and breathe. And you might discover that some of you will go from here all the way down to here. And that may be now where all you need to do. But once you've got that new range of motion, now you want to rock back and forth in it. You want to use it so your body says, oh yeah, this feels pretty good, this feels familiar, I still feel safe. Because if you don't use it, well, you may go back to where you were, right? So once you get that full range of motion with your breath, now you try to use it. And you just a little bit every day, like maybe 2 minutes, if that, until your nervous system says, I've got this. But either way, once you get here, you're basically here. So that would be my only tip would be practicing breathing in the rocking position and then using the full range of motion in rocking to obtain your Seiza sitting position. Does that make sense? I hope that helps. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. I'm Tim with Original Strength. We'll see you next time.